G'day, here's a few pieces of lightning ridge seam opal, semi-crystal material, rules in millimetres there. Could possibly make this into a doublet type material if you wanted to, or great for inlays. This piece hasn't got a lot of colour in it, showing purple there. It's not as vibrant as the last piece though. A couple of these pieces I've just thrown in. The best piece in the deal, I think. Bit more solid colour. It's got a hollow in the middle there. That should cut a stone just by itself to get your money back. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.